Yo, it's your boy Messiah Dixon back again with another YouTube video. And with
Michaela.
And on for today's YouTube video, we are doing a mukbang with crab and seafood. You ready? Look at all this. You see all that? You see all the juice?
That's why it's called juicy crab. Is that crackers?
We're gonna do it with a would you rather. We're gonna get all the juices mixed up with it. So we got our little crackers right here too. You feel me? We lay like a steak.
It sounds like a wrench. Woo! Woo! This is a very long bag.
Okay, we're gonna put it around the bowl, y'all. Like
I got it. I got it. Yes.
Let's see all the juices. Y'all see the. Oh! We don't have to get our hands dirty. Y'all see that?
I'm going with my crab.
Ooh!
You see this crab? That juice.
This ain't gas.
We're just getting our hands dirty, y'all.
I get really sneezy when I eat spicy food. Which one should do?
You said this is spicy.
So what you do? You want to get the leg, right? Y'all see that leg? Y'all see that leg? You take it. You see right here? And you just crack it.
Which part?
Oh. See, then we're going to rip this part off right here. That's how you're going to get that part off. And then you're going to crack this part open. Y'all see that meat?
I seriously need your help.
Okay, would you rather be in Shrek or be in Monster Inc?
Monster Inc. Because I want to be a monster, you know? Monsters can do like cool things. They have one eye and stuff.
Right. Why would you want one eye?
I don't know, God. I'm just too intimidated by this food. Would you rather be a wolf or a bear?
I feel like I would rather be a wolf. Only because like I feel like they give off the alpha dog. You know what I mean? I feel like they give off that leadership role. And I really love that about them. They're really cool for doing that. Y'all see that corn? Corn. Yeah,
I'm gonna get this. I got it now.
Now, would you rather eat your own boogers or eat your own brain?
Eat my own boogers.
Really? That's crazy. I would too. This smack, y'all. I mean, like the tenderness in the crab. Really?
Oh.
It's a little baby piece. Y'all see that?
Wait, yours is really spicy?
I got mild, y'all.
Would you rather dig into what we're eating or go with your family to that incredible journey?
That incredible journey for sure. See, I'm a big Disney fan. You know, I love going
Me too.
Like Disney. Oh, look at that. No, this is gas. I feel like Juicy Crab is one of the best seafood places.
Okay, I'm done with the shrimp. I'm going for it.
We just getting started. So what's your favorite cartoon movie right now?
Probably Toy Story. I hope they're making a 5.
I don't think so. I don't think they're making a 5. I love Toy Story though. I'm definitely a fan.
Yeah.
Definitely a fan of Toy Story.
I really like Bonnie. Bonnie is my favorite character.
You gotta scram it up.
I'm getting this, y'all. I'm getting this.
What's your favorite color?
I have a lot of favorite colors. My favorite color is definitely purple and pink.
Right.
Yellow.
Right.
Teal.
Teal. Can't forget the teal.
Yeah.
Right.
Blue.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. There we go. I got that crab. I don't really like green that much.
I like green. Nice little exciting color. Okay, my favorite color is like red, blue.
Definitely.
I love black. Black's my favorite color. If you guys know me, I wear black a lot. Black is beautiful.
I'm getting that crab. I'm getting it.
The shrimps, y'all. Y'all see that? It just slid right off.
Oh, yeah, baby. Mm-hmm.
Get that corn.
This is so good. Would you rather be a car or a motorcycle?
I want to say a motorcycle.
Yeah, me
I
too.
feel like it's more edgy.
Yeah.
You get off an edgy vibe. I could do that.
I hope you're enjoying that corn.
Right, now I got some more shrimps.
I'm getting this crab, okay? Okay.
I used to always eat sand as a child.
Sand?
I used to
Like
always...
beach sand?
I used to always eat sand as a child.
Ew! You're so disgusting. I'm getting to that corn. Look at my hands.
They really meant get your hands dirty. By far, the best seafood. You see that shrimp?
Before we did this video, we were starving.
Starving. Oh, yo, I forgot there was a potato.
Where?
You just want to eat it by just sopping up.
I don't have a potato in mine.
I guess a potato just for cool kids.
I do have a potato. So I'm a cool kid.
Yeah, I guess. This is gas.
It's so good.
10 out of 10.
It's dripping down my arm.
Did you finish? Did you finish?
No.
You got no shrimp.
Still got some more shrimp. This makes the wait all worth it.
It does. The wait was like at least like 60 minutes, so at least an hour. This was gas. We needed this. This in my stomach.
What?
I mean, you know what? I'm good, but thank you for asking. You know, you're really sweet. Hurry! 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 Yay! 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 She's really good. You're doing good. You're doing good. Last one. Last one. Last one. Well, y'all, that wraps up this YouTube. Hey.
I'm still eating. It's my last one. Yeah.
And that wraps up this YouTube video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, comment below, and click that bell notification. It's me and my sister.